Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 GMC Terrain. Stock number is 18G667A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps, as well as nice chrome accents in the grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Kelly Edge tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top, you do have a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust and a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look at inside of the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Terrain on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.